Hello YouTube, it's Commander Nerd, and I'm coming to you tonight with a special unboxing video. It is something that I actually received tonight, and it's a really cool item. So I'm gonna get right into it and unbox it for you. So hope everything's going well for everyone so far. Amazon always makes these things difficult. Just give me a second and I will finish on opening the thing. Well, how about that? A box within a box. So let's see what is inside here. Yeah, it's already, I can already see the size of it. I'm very happy to have this in my collection. Yeah, that's so cool. It is the Godzilla Criterion set. Now this is, as it says here, I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but it is the Showa era films for the Godzilla films, which is from 1954 to 1975. So it's the original series. This is really cool. It is basically all the original Showa era films released on Blu-ray for the first time, basically. Really, really nice. I like how they did it. The art on the front is really nice. So I'm gonna open this for you guys. So give me 1 second to get the wrapping and stuff off. Alright, so I have the wrapping off. Again, this is the front. Then the back. The back is really nice. It's basically the end of Terror of Mechagodzilla, where Godzilla goes back into the sea. And then I'll show you the inside of it, some of the art. That's just really cool. The art there. That, and then in the very end of it is where all the discs are. And that's really cool as well. So yeah, very happy to have this. It is also Spine 1000. Yeah, finally have the full original Godzilla series in my collection. I'm so happy to finally have this. It's honestly, it's not a bad deal. I managed to get this off Amazon, and I am completely happy with it. I do know basically all the Blu-rays are in Japanese except for like a handful, which isn't an issue for me. But I know for some they would probably prefer the English dub. There is a few that have the English dub in it, which it's basically Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla, Terror of Mechagodzilla. I think Destroy All Monsters, and a few other ones. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah. If you guys are Godzilla fans, or like kaiju films, this set is definitely worth the money. And to have the original Showa set in Blu-ray is really, really cool. But yeah, thank you for tuning into my late night YouTube video of my unboxing of the Godzilla Criterion set. And until next time, I'll see you next time, YouTube.